Welcome to English with GPT. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and dramatic world of hydrophobia. Hydrophobia, by definition, is an intense and irrational fear of water. It's more than just a simple dislike of getting wet. It's a phobia that can cause severe anxiety and panic attacks at the mere thought of water. Imagine standing at the edge of a calm lake and feeling your heart race, your palms sweat, and an overwhelming urge to flee. That's hydrophobia. Now, let's explore some examples. Picture a child who had a traumatic experience nearly drowning. As a result, even a simple bath can trigger their fear. Or consider an adult who, despite never having a bad experience with water, feels an uncontrollable dread when seeing a swimming pool. One common misconception about hydrophobia is that it's just a fear of large bodies of water. In reality, even small amounts of water, like rain or a splash from a sink, can be terrifying for someone with this phobia. Overcoming hydrophobia often requires professional help, such as therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is particularly effective. It helps individuals gradually face their fear in a controlled environment, reducing their anxiety over time. For some, medication can also be helpful to manage the symptoms. If you or someone you know suffers from hydrophobia, remember that it's a real and serious condition. With the right support and treatment, it's possible to manage and even overcome this fear. Thank you for watching English with GPT. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting lessons. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.